Starting off with presentation, this is Ganesh from Peripheral to Touch. So Zeastellar is a platform where user can enter and find the profitability of their area. Profitability in a sense like, for example, Tesla is having a plant in New York and it needs to be shifted to some other place. Like the plant needs to be shifted to Los Angeles. So now what we need to do is like instead of like searching through the Los Angeles, we can go to the website and find like the live data. I mean the live irradiation of the thing. So you can find the profitability. So if the irradiation is high and the direct sun exposure is high, probably that is the place is more suitable for the solar generation. For example, let's take this built entirely for the users who wants to power their houses in solar. So first what happens is like the user has to go to the website, and you can find in the website you can first find the uh, page where you can find actually. So this is the website. Here you can find the profitability. This is the global profitability in the entire globe. In the entire globe, what is the profitability? If you need to find that particular thing, you can find it over here. Here you have the profit. Profit. I mean, if you spend like 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs. I mean, 10 million euro, $10 million. So you will get a profit around 129%. So as of now, each and every minute the reading will vary. So next profitability in my area is around 60.491. You can find your location. You can find even your location. So this is the get a quote option. So you will get a quote around like 60.4. Apart from your bill, you will get 60.491% as your profit. So instead of adapting to electricity, which is coming straightly from the power board, you can just adapt to this particular thing, and you can just solarize your entire unit. So this is the presentation.